My name is Vijay Yadav and I am from Delhi. Recently, I done my graduation in BTech from SRT Bhopal in domain of electronics and communication. I got enrolled in course of Python full stack at Jspider. Here I learned Python from Jiten sir, which helped me to build hands-on experience in Python and also learn some front-end technologies like React and JS from Sresha and Sarvesh. Also, there are mock preparation in weekend wise as well as on build on hands-on experience, practical knowledge on my Python. These are the thing which is helpful to place as Python full stack. And at the end, I got placed by QSpider as a role of Python full stack developer. Thank you.